wasp sounds flying. Yeah, it's checking me out, trying to find out if I'm a threat. I just don't have to move. I have to stay still and calm. And there it is. It goes back to its nest. To a nice nest. They do exchange some form of, I don't know, liquid or something, and stimulate their larvae, like they're biting on them, to start on the adult process, spin the silk cocoon. And I've actually seen those that do not spin the silk cocoon or do not turn into the adults are decapitated. They are eaten. Yes, beautiful scene.